Ever been in this situation? You're chilling, minding your own business, and then she walks in. Your heart races, your palms sweat, and suddenly you're overthinking every move. Do you smile? Do you look away? Do you say something sound familiar? Here's the harsh truth. If you treat her like she's on a pedestal, she'll use that dynamic to her advantage. Why? Because 99% of guys already act this way around her. They put her on a throne, and in doing so, they give away all their power. She can sense the desperation. She can feel that you're not being authentic. And trust me, nothing turns a woman off faster than a guy who doesn't know his own worth. But what if I told you there's a way to flip the script, to turn the tables and make her see you as the prize? Today, I'm breaking down 4 simple yet powerful steps to unlock the confident, magnetic version of yourself that's already inside you. Step 1, be a celebrity, not a fan. Stop acting like she's out of your league. Instead, carry yourself like you're the one she's lucky to meet. Think about the confidence you feel after a win, crushing a gym set, landing a big deal, or achieving a goal. That's the energy you need to bring to every interaction. True masculinity isn't about being aggressive. It's about being composed and self-assured, even when she's stunning. Smile naturally, hold your ground, and let your presence speak louder than your words. Step 2, build a full life. If your world revolves around chasing women, you'll always feel nervous and inadequate. Women can sense when a guy's life is empty and they'll lose interest. Instead, fill your life with hobbies, passions, and goals that excite you. When your life is already vibrant and interesting, women become a complement to it, not the centerpiece. Confidence comes from having a life you're proud of. Step 3, radiate dominance through confidence. Dominance isn't about control or aggression. It's about showing quiet confidence that naturally takes the lead. The easiest way to do this, eye contact. Women are incredibly attuned to body language. Unwavering eye contact communicates that you're not intimidated, you're present, and you're confident in who you are. Step 4, master your movements. Nervous fidgeting, adjusting your clothes, shuffling your feet, screams insecurity.
Fucking everything!
Instead, practice stillness. Stand tall, stay composed, and let your body language exude calmness. The calmer you appear, the more control you project, and that's a magnet for attraction. The secret to confidence around women isn't about memorizing pickup lines or playing games. It's about shifting your mindset, building a life you're proud of, and owning your masculine energy. Remember, the goal isn't to impress her. It's to present yourself as someone worth knowing. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips on confidence, self-improvement, and living life on your terms. See you in the next video.